Hello from my creative space in the City Arcade in Newcastle. Today I'm working on a piece based on a ceramic shard that I found just outside Hobart in a place called Secret Beach in Tasmania in 1994, last century. It has a little space here for a blue and white cameo, which you'll see when it's completely finished. I'm framing it here with some freshwater pearls that I've set through with handmade head pins. Everything needs to be a bit stabilised, and I'm about halfway through. I want it to be really pearly, really buffy pearl. I love this technique. I've used it before in some other pieces. Here's one from the past where I put the head pins through amber beads. And it makes a really nice contrast, I think, to just setting stones. So, happy Valentine's Day to my darling husband. And I thank the universe and my husband for this wonderful opportunity to have a creative life. Have a great day.